Hi guys, welcome back to Nettie's Amazing House. I started this cookie dough since yesterday. This is a rum and raisin cookie. It's been in the fridge since yesterday, guys. Well marinated with rum. Here it is. You'll see me preparing this dough, and now now it's time to bake it. We're gonna bake at 375 for 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm gonna put my cookies on my baking sheet. How are you guys doing? I made a lasagna today, so look in the suggestion box up here. You'll see that link for that video. Go check it out after you've watched this one though, okay? Look at this, guys. Wow, I wish you could smell it. Look at all the rum, and this raisin has been soaking in wine for months. I'll show you my bottle that I soak my raisin in. Always have my raisin soaking. Spread it out evenly. So I'll put this back in the fridge until I'm ready to bake the other set. Oh, are you seeing it? This is a delicious cookie dough. Rum and raisin. I can't seem to remember what video it was that somebody asked how long do I soak my raisin for. But I always have raisin soaking. It's almost finished right now. Need to pull this bottle all up again, but I always have raisin soaking. This is only raisin. I have another bottle where I soak my fruits for whenever I'm baking rum cake, a way bigger bottle. So this is my bottle that I soak raisin. Wine, this is the wine, and raisin. As you see, it's marinated for a long time. So my raisins always soaking. So I suggest whenever you're soaking your raisin, always soak it in a glass bottle, a glass container. Okay? It helps the wine not to lose the alcohol taste. So I got that from my friend. The finishing touch of my rum and raisin cookies. That's all raisin. From my amazing house to yours.